Hello all, welcome back to AJ Artwork channel. In this video, I'll show you how to draw hyper-realistic eye and a rope, and also how to use a sharpening tool like Scalpel Blade or a sharpening knife to achieve the fine detailing in this image. So let's check it out. As you see here, I'm preparing my outline from the reference picture where a kid with an innocent face looking through the tangled ropes. So once I saw that image, I felt that there is an inner meaning deep inside and it could be a conceptual representation. So I felt like drawing it and put as many details as possible together and give that realistic effect. So let's see how it turns out. Use a soft charcoal pencil to draw the pupil and reflection in the eye, which will give more added dark values. Use a thin blending stump and smudge around to achieve the values for the blurred objects in the reflection of the image. For the realistic skin tone, for the base layer, I used 2B pencil and dry brush to blend around. And on top of that, I used a 4B pencil to get more darker value and blend around to get that smooth shading. So you can play around based on the dark values that you need using different graded pencils. In addition to the blending with a dry brush, you can also use a soft tissue to get much more smoother shading on the skin tone. To get the finer details like eyelashes or eyebrows, always keep your pencil to be sharpened, and you can use that pointed tip to draw thin lines. Now here the second part of the image is to draw the tangled rope, which gives an added value to the whole concept of the reference. So drawing objects like this will improve your skills, and you can practice more on these objects, and also gives much more improvisations for your skill set. So I like to play around with all the tools that are available to get much more detailing, and also it might give an interesting results which you might never realize to get. So here I used a scalpel blade to get the detailing, and also the small fibers coming out of the rope. Here is an interesting thing that I thoroughly enjoyed while drawing this image. I used a scalpel blade to scrape around the paper wherever I need to get those fine details which appears like thin fibers coming out of the rope. So this added a much more detailed value to my drawing, and gave a very good realistic effect. So one thing to remember here is, while playing with a sharpened tool like this, your paper should be thick enough to withstand, so that you don't cut. So hope you enjoyed this process, and exploring a new tool like Scalpel Blade. So you can try in your next image based on the references that you have. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed watching this and learned something. So let me know your opinions or feedback in the comments, and also if you like the video, please share and subscribe the channel for much more videos or tutorials like this. And let me know if you need any reference photo, or if you have anything that need to be drawn. So please let me know. I can try that in my next videos. Until then, thank you. Bye.